Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to use JavaScript let and const for React. We can define variables in JavaScript starting from ES6 and above with let and const. Const does not actually define a variable but a constant for which the value can no longer be changed. On the other hand, let defines a normal variable whose value we can change. Let's see example. First I will define a const variable a and set its value to 5, and then I will have another value defined with let and name it b and set its value to 10, and then I'm going to print on console the value of both a and b. Then I'm going to add some value to our variable b, which is a let variable. It's gonna be add some value to b. I will add 20 and then print again with console.log and value of a and b. Now I can also assign to variable b some text such as hello, and then print the value of both a and b again. And now I'm going to change the value of our const variable a. Let's try to do that. I will change it to 30. This should cause an error because we cannot change the value of constant variable. I'm going to save this and run with the node. And to run I need to type node and then our JavaScript file name and hit enter. And you can see it threw an error because over here you can read assignment to constant variable. That's the error. We can reassign the value of constant variable. So if you want to use a normal variable, then you can define it with let, and if you want the variable's value don't change, then you can use const with it. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.